Johnny, yeah, we've been through hell about what we were talking about Sam George, the kind of attack. You see, I've worn this same shirt. I didn't know when you pay quickly.
Mame Mao Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ghana Insem TV GH so wo frɛ me adwoa searching. Ebusuafo youth a omo wɔ Ningo-Prampram kyerɛ Sam George. Ne mpɛsoa so ɛna omo ɛka sɛ omo ɛkyerɛ sɛ enema bebree enkoyie ɛwɔ Ningo-Prampram hɔ omo akwan nyɛ in fact omo light ho sɛ enema bebree nsu ho nsɛm na ade. Nanso omo kwakapɛ na Sam George ɛtrɛte omo ɛkyekye omo. In fact, enyama Sam George eyo Ningo-Prampram on youth ni kura suruntin dey omo abekasa na ebusuafo Sam George and order Sam George I am not surprised cry say Sam George is omo won Nigeria. Sam George Nigeria no so omo wo so wuko su o nti na na affect wadwen because enyama wo to opposition na wo ye e na ende there mo aba bema wa ban no eye a we just say wanya kokuduru why you bold abeka chega na fo say wo pay dues e wa bra na mo wo position nti de yen keka de yen kwase asem no e na me di hu say wotete wo Nigeria mpa na wo nye papa and they see ye ka minister or ye useless ye ka politician na ne ho aye tan ne ho nya akon na o ka nipa anu na o mo fia e ye wo Sam George wo youth e ka kire say wo constituency ne me nkoyi a o threat o mo o chichi o mo for what reason na Sam George do refia na find the time na play with videos na wo ye ni bi e ho na obehu said the Ghana for the year when they kura na isa say am pasa wo threat youth na Sam George nkwasi asem no because wo kura de you are the last person na obi e criticize wa obejimi yenti nsem a youth e de etudwa
Ya no fia no sin. Ina ma o si pa you say me. I thank God that He has used me or your money, to open the eye. Sorry to say, to open the eye for the youth of Ningo-Prampram. Me, myself, and then my brother Johnny. Yeah, we've been through hell about what we were talking about Sam George, the kind of attack. You see, I've worn this same shirt. I didn't know when you pay quickly video. Every youth of Ningo were scared, to say something about Sam George, thinking that because Sam George is Jata is the MP, so when you say something about him, it will bring you problems and stuff. So things were going on, but nobody was ready to speak. But I got the courage to speak. And I was the first Ningo guy to speak about what was happening in our place. And I think today, you've all seen, how things are going on. Everything is being open. We are all seeing the things that are happening at Ningo-Prampram. The roads, the schools, and you see, recently I think a week or so ago, rain will fall. Just that one day rain. Students from Ahiam, Sam George in hometown, Ningo Ahiam, the road have spotted saying that even buses cannot cross. Locals leave my place in the school. Charlie, more bo. I'm a poor block every. Nene, no one a day class. Chabika, so I'm almost in hell. So, I him can work with Benny Nugo in terms of politics, in terms of government. Can in the legend, my money checking me banana. Ne Emile Pepe mobile because Glonyane Mau drew on our MP, Minister of Communication. Look on my phone, legend. New Epesane, Nisek, Ningo Senior High School, like the classroom where senior house master is sleeping. Charlie, God. Security gates, the road to the school signboard. Oh, Charlie. But I thank God that now we've all seen that Africa must unite. The other people, other individuals, you've all seen and raising the alarm for it. Like, you want your mobile too much. You want your mobile. I've done video in this thing, and I've got so many attacks. Even Sam George himself have to go to my father at Ningo Man Copy to go threaten him that why would he allow his son to be disgracing him on social media. I didn't do this. Nobody sent me to do this because I'm also the citizen, and then it's concerned. I'm also concerned because today, if I live where I am now, I go home, I go Ningo, and I see one I road. So, we say, maybe my puppy tell me something to do. I don't know. Nobody give me one CD. I'm creating awareness. Say can I say for to media like Obia because people think so because our MPs and Joe we are okay. Our no lie. Go see Wana Road, the worst road ever. Wana schools, bro. I swear, Wana government schools for there. Go see how teachers they suffer. Plenty schools have no bungalow for the teachers. Even I know like no press as we are speaking right now. There's no washroom. There's no washroom. Then I'm a problem. Hey, Charlie. Politics have come to deceive us. But so I thank God that through my video, people have gotten the courage to also speak, and then it's been, you know, in a way that people are seeing. I pray that our video should reach out to the president. Down
If you say into mama, into first time na yenum calipo di tour. Agana for any prayer, you bia fie bia mo bia num calipo. To am find yesu yade. When to am find yesu yade. I grow when it's too much. Mahama. This is my last month. Mo bo bosu ansa na mutu workers ka. And I to am sa de na be hu. Scanning ginasa. Go da ija ma mo no nyina matoni nyina edi ade wo first serve wo serve e your brother say mo be yes kafo ejapade deal no ejapade na mo twero sa buku na mo twero na je say mo a mo ba ya kinkran wanti wan fan yesu ya de kura fan tutu nti yakoba nyina say na your friend kenufulata na investment oye 2024 and 2025 no and na wo jubility and na wo enjoy na mo de ato is forcing na so pen Ghana for mo kra wo de ato forcing e compare kenufulata de na be yi kenufulata yi wo de ato forcing e compare full kenufulata nipa epe kasa hwi ni mo ankra mu na yiridi kenufulata won ze na dwuma bi agu wo Ghana hada na wo de kenufulata ato forcing toto kenufulata na finance minister ze nyina say kenufulata na nka ye best she investment ekufuado ye she policies no government obaya the first time na no start ni nyina na kenufulata one district, one factory, one ambulance every constituency, $1 $1 million one constituency, free education, NAPCO, and then I can now, when your MPs be almost say, oh, Tibongo's MP, I would say, Ken must go because covered about my we are seeing now lockdown. Emma and timber nko, gold nko, bauxite nko. Almost suspended trade. Emma hochra ba we are see. Na mukoto aba so amato tia parliamentary nyina say Kufuado de yebeto man na parliament de yanto mano. Yanto mapa ye MP no. Na MPs ni nyina lusu yi. Na onya hang parliament. Yan konkoto final way so no nya na speaker of parliament so speaker of parliament so nkoto ma NDC ni. Tete Kufuado san. Shobi akọ lockdown. Na owo nidaso se o wini election a obetimi aye nwoma wakoto atia ne member of parliament nyina MPs ni nyina emomo alusu omulusu nso a moko parliament so a monkokoto so a speaker of parliament so a makokofa NDC ni na o pese Kufuado no fa ne se ina mfambu man na Kufuado no kra no o wakukudro too much utime yire wo ho kakra di wie eno na abufu a okasa o ka bibia na ne buafu no wa reply or action asofo e wo krum ha say Akufo Addo ama omo bribe ama omo we sika ndi nti omo nyina kutia journalist e wo krum ha nyina omo nyina kutia Akufo Addo because on titiska mo so parliament mo we Akufo Addo no wetima ye business no wenye sika no de amamo ene we obey otibitwa budget nkwa $70 million e de kwhye na we communication ano na yede betu to bribe ama bloggers ni ade enkoyi kura so mbe didi se ekoyi se ni nyina na ekefulata na we friend Akufo Addo no ba umia ba we investment omo ye na mo enjoy gold omo pegu nyina maton ni nyina sika omo pe nyina maton madi ni nyina enne afede du wo de so no wuntimi mbu man no enne hwa ho kira aba inflation wo famu nso ko krom anwama boa eden me hu bi da wo wiase agi se Ghana pe inflation wo fam nso oka the whole world obia oil wo fam nso Ghana nko oil e wo high nso na nkrofo jubility mungugu na mohwe the cheapest country oil country in Africa countries in Africa the cheapest ones ubo hu se Ghana ye nu ba bia ya ntokura beto 10 ye no ani se na mben ha na mun ko check 2024 na mun check 2025 na mun bra me check your friend 2023 na mun we say doma ma na to force o mu ye bibia na ena ni sini na nkasa ko trans studio no gusu ka say investment o mu ye nyina o mu jubilate nyina ye previous government na ye ena o mu enjoy efe 2026 no ena ye be mu say NDC for o matima bibia na NDC ni nkasa na kan yeah.
The real scorecard of NDC will be 2026. As an economist, I will not give all the credit to us. No. Yes, I've been unfair.
I foundation.
I want to be
before.
I want to be a moderate. I want to be a moderate. And in moderation, no, don't be too extreme.
Okay.
Because I be a run going concern. Don't forget to say, you're too about we no. Now can't forget my course mayhem in Ghana. But don't say there be 57% to the massa. Okay, mama, or the cockota. Emfa. 87 in parliament against 183, the other cockota, emfa. Let's leave it hanging. And what we are seeing today, no, the moderates will argue, say, a certain foundation was laid. And that foundation that was laid, no, there's a build up for 1 year. Because you have 1 month and it's not possible. Going forward, no, the real litmus test of NDC as a government will be 2026. Because 2025 for the own inherited BB and so far equity asset plus liability. So dia memua a ka any japadi any pejade.
Yep.
When you put the two together, it gives you equity. So the equity of a country called Ghana, no, is the total, the aggregate of your asset and your liability. Now you've run the country for 1 year. The indicators are so good. And the moderate will argue, say, look, if the indicators are good, they are. Obi na di baton here then. Emma. And you're unlocking the prospect in that baton, no, and now more indicators now are very positive.
Especially on the growth of the economy, no.
Precisely.
World Bank for EPID says by a certain percentage.
Now we've done 6.3. So that means that we've done far in excess of what the World Bank told us. And what I make sure will say, in analyzing the context of the growth situation now, no, you are going to meet two group people, the extremists and the moderate. The extremists will tell you, say, look, and this MPP are nyeshi, omo bo minor, the yako IMF, DDEP, which almost say minor. The moderate will say there be whatever success you are witnessing today, no, a certain foundation was called the going concern principle. However, as an economist, right, I want to say, if we really want to judge NDC as a government properly, it will be 2026. Because 2026, lady, the benchmark of 2026 is 2025. So a new
that will be the foundation.
That will be the foundation. So the foundation of us NDC is 2025. So we are then going to analyze whether say one, His Excellency Mahama, I resetting my new year. Dr. Keslato Forsen, the financial prowess and experience na college no, it really working. And in Yankopon Yard, November 2026, no, mebaha. Then we will do introspection. Na ya fano data by data. Until we will take the 2024 data, 2025 data, and look at projection for 2027.
Okay.
At that level, no, you compare niema. You have variance analysis. You have 2024, you have 2025, you have 2026. And to say, oh yeah, the moderator now will make argument to say, NDC near share, near for 2024, near scale about 2025, near about 2026. And to say 2027, you catch you say, oh, exchange rate bet me a best $7 to $1. Then that strength of the performance no cannot be credited to the MPP. But all said and done, I can tell you, say, the resetting agenda is truly on course.